Okay, yep, it's receiving data or content, whatever. My dog's going nuts in the background. And I don't care if this stream is unprofessional. We are live. Oh, thank goodness. Like, I had to go through so much crap. Like, I had to hook up my freaking capture card. Well, I had to plug in my HDCP stripper thing so I can have, like, 2 HDMI outs over one connection, all that fancy jazz. Anyway, we're good to go now. I just wait for people to arrive. Alright. Let me hear my own audio. Oh, thank goodness. It works good. Alright. So basically all we're going to be doing in this video is going to try to make event particles. Now, this is the wrong way to do it probably, but who cares? So we need x, y, x velocity, y velocity. Hey, Shadanger. What up, brah? Welcome to the stream, Shadanger. Hope you enjoy your stay. I'm not displaying the chat on screen this time. I am really tired. I didn't feel like doing anything today, but I still needed to do something, so I'm streaming. Finally, thanks to Zyle, he helped me like figure out what the balls was going on with console log not working. Not just console log, the entire thing was like bugged out. All right, anyway, we need x velocity, y velocity, x spread, y spread. Let's just call that force. Let's just keep it xs, ys. There we go. Oh, you know what? We need Okay, that can be the gain. All right. Yay! I'm already bored. So what should we do? Let's see. How should we make this work? How should we make this work? See, right now, we're just basically what we're doing is we're assigning a particle array that has properties x, y, xv, yv, xs, ys, and life. Now we need to make a function. I finally switched to FSPlit for streaming, finding out that 2.8 update for XSplit really doesn't work on 32-bit systems. Sucks, man. What up, Ender Scram official? Oh, let me see if I can like bootleg the. I don't know if you guys want the chat on screen. Sort of, yeah, Zyle. I'm honestly, I think I'm too tired to even begin to do this right. But hey, it's worth a shot. By the way, for those who don't know, Zyle is pretty much one of the greatest programmers in the world. And if he says you're doing something wrong, you're definitely doing it wrong. I'm expecting a lot of you're doing it wrongs here. I'm already feeling it. I'm already doing it a lazy way by giving the event a variable called particle, an array object thingy. Ow. Hi, Len. Alright, you know what? I'll go ahead and bring the chat up to the thing. Hang on. I'm not able to read the chat for a minute. Let's do this one. What window was it? I think it's this one. No? Hold up, what the? Yeah, it is that window. Why is it a black screen? Okay, you know what? Fine. Fine. I'll do it the CLR way. Okay. Get the chat. Oh, by the way, you guys should download my wallpaper. It's amazing. So I'm going to make the chat 300 by 480. That sounds fine. Wish I can give this thing a... I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully it's not going to be in the way. I'm just going to put it down here in the corner. Ugh. Okay, let me get my chat and stuff back. There we go. Okay, so let's see. I don't want to write the function to set the particles within that. I might do it through a plugin command. Screw it. Let's go all the way lazy. Let's make a function set event particle x, y, rx, ry for the random thing. X velocity, y velocity, random x velocity, random y velocity. X gain, which is xs, xy, rxs. Because I'm too lazy to rename it to xg. Rx, xy. Life and r life for random life. Alright. So, oh yeah, we need the event ID. ID amount of our start equals however many is created. But then I would have to purge the array, so I'm going to be even lazier. I'll probably modify it later if I like the result to make it more optimized. But for now, I just want to see if I can achieve this. It shouldn't be too hard, but it's probably not going to happen during this stream, to be honest. Alright, let's see. I already lost my train of thought. Oh yeah. ID, start, finish. So, what we're going to do, for I equals start, I is less than finish, I plus plus, and then we're going to do data map dot underscore event ID dot particle I dot x equals x plus math dot random rx. No. I don't think it works that way, does it? I think you need to do like math.random times. Yeah. But one, I think it's, I don't know, I forget how the math.random works, but let's just go with this one for now. I can change it if it doesn't work. Y, x velocity, y velocity, xs, yx, or ys, whatever, life. In this game, I'm working on a smartphone game. It only looks, honestly, Ender, it only looks confusing. Like, it all depends on how much effort you really want to put into it. Like, I don't really have like this burning desire to code. So like my programming is usually kind of sloppy and like inaccurate on a lot of stuff, and I probably could optimize it if I really, really tried, but just not really interested. With me it's but there's a limit though. I'm sort of like, if it works, it works, but I don't like to be too unoptimized with things though. Before I was all for optimizing things, then I got bored of it. So. YS LF Y E E S Y S LF RLF RYS RXS RYV RXV RY. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to console log I'm just going to console log the particle. That will be going... Okay, it's already where I need it. Okay, good. So let me show you how this will work. All we're doing right now is setting the things. Then I need to modify the map scene, and we'll have a very bootleg particle system that I'm very certain will work. as soon as we actually make some images, or we can just use the put pixel command if you want pixel particles. Well, this ain't game editor. Once you finish the stream, I'm probably going to start Shovel Knight stream. Oh, sweet. I heard Shovel Knights are quite shovelly. Oh my gosh, I hate when RPG Maker opens the window on like the absolute edge of your other monitor. By the way, how's the stream quality, guys? Is it okay? Is it pretty good? Lost my train of thought. Script. I'm doing this. I'm so lazy with this. I love it. It's fun though. So we need. This is the event ID of 1. The range I'm going to do 0 to 100. I might keep it this way so you can have like you can set looping timings if you wanted to. I don't know. We'll see. But the thing is, it's not going to be relevant to the event yet. So I'm just going to put 0, 0, 55, 55 for the X. The velocity initially will be 0 for the X, 0.1 for the Y, and the random for that X would be 1, and 0.05 for the Y. The X gain 0 and 0.1, 0, 0 for the random, and then the life will be 100, between 100 and something. Yeah, let's just do that. Now, it's not going to show anything at all right now, other than the game opening on the wrong screen. Yay, I can do it this way now. Maybe, loud. Oh my gosh, everything's opening on the other monitor. Now talk to him. Okay, we get an error, which is fine. Oh, it's not. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. That's the area I got my tooth pulled in. Do not do a gum-related raspberry if you had your tooth pulled. Doesn't hurt, but I'm whatever. Here we go. It's like, yeah, you know, you gotta add the function first. Okay, I'm about to snap. I'm about to snap. I'm about to kill something. Not really. Alright. Probably do one of undefined. Line 27. Oh! Oops. It's not data map, it's game map. I'm a derp. See, this is why console log helps me. Even though the legend himself, Zyle, like, he never uses console log. He uses some other thing that's uncharted territory for me. No errors? Oh, come on. Oh, didn't, oh, duh. What is wrong with me? Guys, Shedinja's a hippie. Don't let him lie. Come on. F8. That's loud. Now what? Dude, you can't be telling me that's not accurate. It's right there. Hold on now. Stop fucking opening on the wrong monitor, you sack of dang shit. Alright, so let's see. Console.log game map dot events 1. I'm doing something wrong with the getting the event thing. It's just some typo that I'm not seeing right now. Come on. No errors. Of course, this is console log thing. Yeah, see, now that works right there. Now, does it have the particle system? That's what I need to know. Hold on. Yeah, it has the particle things here. It has the particle array. Am I just doing the array wrong? Oh! Yeah, see, I knew it had to be something like stupid simple. So now it should work. I knew I was just making a typo. Because the error pretty much gave that away. So the variable that I was trying to call, which stores the events, is undefined. And now it's still undefined. So what in the name of fat titty lard hookers? Okay, you know what? Hold up, girl, hold up. Stall me a little bit. Let's do this. Yeah, ID. Hospital Juan. Juan. ID is Juan. I had no work. Maybe it's because I'm doing my array wrong. Which I can fix. I'd rather not, but I can fix. I'm so lazy today, dude. Tired. Everyone's instantly gonna like leave the stream. Yeah, see, it's undefined. That for some reason the particle array is undefined. But just to be on the safe side, we should get 100 game events now, or however many particles that we decided to set, and however many times we're gonna have to click and drag. Son of a. Might disable that music. See. Okay, yeah, okay. So what I'm doing wrong is the thing. I can't do a an array and a particle thing like that. So this dot ptc ary particle array equals. Okay. If ptc ary I is not equal to the lazy way. No. Oh, dang it. Hold up. Yeah, we're just gonna have to like completely redo this part right here. Dot particle. Or no, we don't even have to do an if. What am I doing? Even though it's going to get redefined every time you want to set the thing. But Mountain Dew is good. Yeah, I figured it was. Crazy that I tell you my cousin in the middle of making a plugin. You were game 3D similar like Pokemon 3D. Dude, that'd be awesome. Okay, so now let's just do one little test here, because game map dot events ID what ID dot ptc array I dot x equals potato title dot ptc ary I. What? Yeah, hang on, Shed Danger. Always gotta eat me a breakfast. Okay. Let's see. Title. Come on. Bloop. Turn that junk to none. Like, real quick. Yeah, it's like. I don't know, man. It's so weird. What's going on? Well, thank you. You're technically not thank you. Alright, come on, let's go. Thank you. Freaking open. I'm also gonna disable the splash screen because there it goes, it's working. All our particles. Yep, X is equal to potato on every single one. Yay! Particle information is starting to work now. X plus math, not random, Rx. Now I get to see if this actually works. Son of a hooker. Oh my god. 0 and 10. I'm just going to make 10 particles right now. It's not going to work, but I just need to see the value of all 10 of those particles so I can see if I'm doing the random right. Seeing a super records meme. Dude, you should sped run it. You should. Kappa. Okay, guys, so here we go. Objective. Okay. 0, 9. Okay, yeah, I was right. So, what? No, not Discord. Here we go. So, random of 1 times Rx. And that's how we do it. So now all of our particles are going to have their proper data. Okay. Ry. Speedrun Plaz. Liz. Comment was too long. So she said degree. X velocity, Y velocity. X gain, Y gain life. Arrows! Thank you. Alright guys, so if I'm right, let's see, throwback Mang, right? Hashtag dank it up. YS is not defined. Don't be a hooker. YS is right there, you fat. What? XY, XE, R, XS. XY. Oh. Guys, what even happened? You're a hooker. Heard I wasn't. When F8 doesn't open the freaking log. There we go. It's working. So now you see all of our particles have the information that they need. I should do a math.floor though. Cool. Oh, you know what? I'm going to make it relevant now to the position. Whoa. How did I minimize everything on one monitor? What? Why? I didn't even press. Okay. Alright, anyways. The other things, they don't need to be floored, except for the life variable. Math.floor. Alright. Let's try it again. Hold up. I'm changing my main monitors. If this crashes everything, I'm gonna cry. There. There we go. Thing over here. I gotta redo this. Oh, the fudge nipper. Hold up. Hammer time. Thank you, stream. Stop playing now. Alright, so we're good. We're back to normal. Sort of. Hope you ask. Yep, we're good. Alright. Now we can test this out, and I don't think it'll open on the wrong monitor anymore. Yay! Come on. Come on. Bad pickup lines. Nope. I really don't. Alright, so there we go. It's equal to... Oh yeah, we need to do times 48 because the tile size. Oh, whatever, I'm not going to do anything fancy with that yet. Times 48. Times 48. But hey, we got it. So let's open up the GIMP because the GIMP is pimp. The GIMP is pimp. So render maps like 3D objects and be used for 3D camera control. Darude Sandstorm. Yes. Hi, Shin. I get it. Hi, Shin. Machine. The guy from Yu-Gi-Oh! Forbidden Memories. Kappa Kappa degree. Alright, so we're going to make an 8x8 particle image. I honestly don't know if I'm going to be able to finish this particle. I could have just clicked the eye. I don't know. Or I could. What am I even doing? Anyway, yeah, I don't know if we're going to complete the particle thing today. But, I mean, it's not hard to make. Don't get me wrong. But time consuming, and I'm tired of waiting for a hooker. Yeah, we're just going to use a basic, let's just texturize it real quick. Obviously not that. Something bright, like the sky. Okay, now I'm going to save it in games, Google stuff, IMG. Let's do the picture folder. Come on, thank you. It's hot as fudge in my room. Xyle, why can't we just do like this? Like, why do we have to define the array separately? Like, why can't we have an array between, like, make an array object thingy? Probably can. I'm just being a derp. I mean, it does create it, but it only creates one. So, like, we can't say, like, create, like, a... I think it creates one. Not really sure. It might not create one at all. Alright. Anywho! There's something important I need to say. Hi. Alright. What are we doing? At the very end of this. function. If I like the result, by the way, I am going to optimize this. But for right now, I honestly just want to play around with it. Craig Beatbox #bro. Okay, so set event particle graphic ID range 1. Oh, yes, it's start and finish graphic for I equals start, I is less than finish, I plus plus. We should just, you know what, F it. I'm just gonna add it to the end of the thing. Hi, Chibi. Graphic. Graphic equals graphic. What was the game cache thing? Son of a fudge nipper. Alright, so JS Kennedy. No, it doesn't work that way. Bro, how do you beatbox? Very carefully. Oh, item A, item B. Oh. I already got it this way. I'm too lazy to correct it for now. Alright, I think it was in... What am I looking for? I already forgot. Oh, yes. Image manager.load picture. Is that the really thing? I guess it was. Huh. Cool. So now it should give the thing. It actually doesn't take long to make a bootleg particle engine. Particle. So now, when we do the console log, can you beatbox? Can you beatbox? That's the real question. I would probably be able to do better, but like I'm worried about where my tooth was pulled. All right, does it have the graphic? Where's the? Yep, bitmap. And there it is. Pictures, particle. There it is. Oh, there it is. Okay. Zyle, I am going to question you on something. If that's okay with you. If it annoys you, it's fine. I really probably too tired to pay attention anyway. Is it a good idea to add multiple children as the particles? And then for people who don't know what that means, like they're probably gonna, maybe again. Thank you, Chibi. Even though it's really ghetto. But yeah, the only way I can think of adding multiple sprites. Actually, no. We can just add a. I already know what to do. Never mind. I figured it out. I'm gonna do what I did with the. I can't believe I didn't think of this. This very clearly indicates that I'm tired, or sloppy, or both. Degree. No. What I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna make a little sprite class thing, and then I'm just gonna like add a bunch of bitmaps to that one sprite class. But then we run into the error of some particles not being able to be shown in front of sprites. Like if a particle moves in front and behind of a sprite, like if we give it a Z, then we're gonna probably have to do the multiple sprite class things. But I appreciate anyone that can code. I can barely do GameMaker Studio, let alone JavaScript. It only looks confusing. I'll go ahead and explain a little bit, Chibi. Though this is not the most ideal way to do things, just saying. But basically, we're creating an object by using the little. I keep forgetting. Somebody always reminds me of the name of that little pointy bracket thing. I keep forgetting. Anyway, we're creating an object called particle in the game event thing. So each event will have this object. And we're giving that object x, y, xv, yv, xs, ys, lf, and graphic. Those all stand for x, y, braces. Thank you. How can I keep forgetting the name of that? I swear I'm like half retarded or something. Anyway, xv stands for the v stands for velocity. X velocity, y velocity. Then we have x spread, which should be x gain, but I'm too lazy to change it. So xs, ys, or x gain, y gain, and the life variable, which is lf. That will determine how long it stays on screen. Lady girl, shut up! Quit barking. That's not gonna happen. They're barking at something. I gotta find out what they're barking at. Hey, what are you guys barking at? Hey, stop. Come on. Boy, girl. Shut up, lady. Quit instigating. In the UK, we call them squiggly brackets. That explains why you're so smart. You're a UK person. That was so retardedly said. Okay, now I'm just trying to sound like an idiot. Alright, but anyways, yeah. A lot of my viewers actually are from the UK. It's pretty interesting. So now we're gonna... I forgot what I was... You know what, I'm just gonna download my own, thing. What is happening? Bint, bint, bint. Alright, let's get over here. Look how Brace is annoying. Got a problem with Ireland, Craig? No, but you're a hooker. You're an Ireland... You're an Irish hooker. Oh, there it is. Yay. I'm just gonna, like, kind of look at the way I did it before. Even though I think I did it, like, really weird last time. And I didn't download the nano thing yet, by the way. So I need to find my sprite class. Okay, this one right here will be fine. I'm just gonna copy how this goes. We have a display.update thing. Okay. Trust me, this only looks confusing. I promise you it's not bad. Wait, what? Where's that even end at? Okay, that does end there. Okay. Anyway, I just copied this because I didn't want to type. Whoa, whoa. No. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is happening? There. Alright, so I don't even know why this is here. Need that. It's not loaded as false. No, we don't need that either. So, here's where we're going to do our bitmaps. I don't want to do this. Okay, well, first I'm going to test it with just a square drawing. Like 1 pixel drawing. Actually, I do need this start created. I could do a test and see if the variable doesn't exist first, but whatever. If this dot created not equal to 1, or true and I could have used true and false, doesn't matter. Wait, what? Sorry, Bob, I'll be quiet. I'm sorry, I should have been paying attention to the chat. Dude, do you use FL Studio to compress music? Oh, compose the music. Yes. I do indeed use FL Studio. If so, I already read that. Is it free? I mean, I use the demo version too, so I can't really say if I like if it. I don't know. Will it work on the demo? Doesn't matter, I guess. Hold on. Particles equals. Yeah. Oh man, hold on. For I equals 0. Oh, wait, I still need to do the created. No, I don't. So I is less than. Oh, man. Man, we're gonna do like multiple for loops to check and like see with every single particle. In that case, I'm not gonna do the particles through eventing. I'm just gonna do it through like one main thing because oh my head. I could give the event class itself its own custom particle bitmap. Are you from Subway? You gave me a phone. Oh, that is the dankest of all dank. I'm too tired to function for this, man. So I have to completely change this entire thing. Fudge all of the nips. Well, might as well make it here. Oh, didn't want to do that. Fine. Our global particles equals. Son of a hooker. So I'm gonna do a global version because I really don't want to. No, I can't. I can't be that lazy. Okay, you know what? Here we go. Game map dot events dot length I plus plus. Take it easy, rather relax and try again. Depressed and constipated. Well. Wait, what? Have a chance. That was a good pickup line, and that was kind of funny. Okay. Thank you, Bomba. Okay, Chibi. I shall do that. See, the problem is, this is going to be the worst optimized particle engine, I think, in the universe. Probably not, but still. Because... oh, man. We're calling an update event every single frame to check through all of the events, which isn't very long, mind you, but still. It's not normally going to be that long. And then it's going to scan through those. Oh, well, I needed to fresh up anyway. I'm starting to get into it again. Did you sit in sugar? Oh, gosh. Ant hand. Yeah, I guess you're right, Zyle, because it's stressful. Like, I know that I'm doing this so horribly, but I also know it's because I'm not putting too much effort into it because I was tired. But the more I make it, the more I keep edging towards, hey, I want to do this right. You know, like for example, instead of just setting a specific amount of particles that you can loop, like I want to make it, which I did with my original particle engine that I had from JavaScript. Um, I had it to where like it was infinite basically. There was no, you didn't set between particles 0 and 100. It would create new ones and it would purge, like it would delete the array entry. Problem is I'm lazy. No, I guess lazy is not the term. More like unmotivated. But now the more I code, at least I'm actually starting to get somewhat motivated. So my head hurts though, man. It's like, oh my gosh, like I have so much brain fog right now. All right, we'll do that. We'll just write it the bootleg way first. I2 equals 0. I2 is less than I dot ptc array dot length I plus plus. So yeah, this dot particles equals, wait, I. Oh man, how are we gonna do this? Oh wait, what am I doing? I don't need to loop through the second event thing. Oh good. I'm just creating a new bitmap for each event. Equals new bitmap. Oh, I still could use the other for loop to define the bitmap's actual bitmap. That wouldn't make any sense either. What am I doing? Oh, you know what? You know what I could do? Man, I'm thinking of so many other ways I can do this now that are better. But I can't lean away, man. It's like I have to do it the better way. Like I can't. The more I try to go through with the ghetto way, like the more I struggle. Screw it. Okay, let's open up objects. I think I'm just gonna give the game event another way of, or I think I'm gonna draw it on the exact same event layer if I can find out how to do that. Okay. Event ID. Yeah, of course, it equals data map events. Okay, what I think I'm gonna do. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it this way. Instead of using the graphic, we're gonna do new bitmap. And then instead of doing the graphic here, we're just gonna do graphic.bitmap is equal to that image. So now we can loop through the separate things and draw the bitmap accordingly. Craig, are you Charizard? Because you're... Or, Still don't have a change on. Okay, are you going to post BAM on Twitter? BAM might be. BAM is Twitter. I mean, so we don't need to do the whole new bitmap thing. We don't even need to do this thing here we're recycling through. Okay. What's the thing to actually? Hi, Tia. Thank you. Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. If you are staying, if not, enjoy RPG making. So I think we should just, for now, try to use a, so, yeah, okay. Well, let's just draw a square for now. I2 is less than... I dot particle PTC array, not length, I2 plus plus, this. We need to define, okay, this dot bitmap equals new bitmap. No? Should we even do that? Oh my gosh, now I done lost my freaking train of thought again. How the hell? What what was I even trying to do before? What? I'm lost. Huh? What am I doing? They need an X and Y. Or width and height settings. Son of a... I don't even need multiple bitmaps. Oh, I do. No, I don't. What am I doing? So many eyes. Oh, I know. Nice one. Atlanta the post, he doesn't know. Like, you mean that overpriced company that wants to make overpriced stuff that doesn't even, that's not really, might not really be worth the overpriced price because friggin' Apple. All right, graphics dot box width. I hope that's right. It's probably right in front of me somewhere. Come on now, what the heck, son of a. Okay, you can. Okay, never mind. It's box width or the box window. Yeah, guys, we're going to see some box window. Graphics, box height. Hold on. Freaking Ender. All we need is one bitmap. I don't understand why. Bitmap.fill rect. Now here's the fun part. Okay, this isn't going to update anything yet, by the way, so I2.x .y. But I need to add it to the game map as well. So we have the X and Y. This isn't going to work anyways because I need to also include the camera's position. But on the small map, it'll look just fine. I don't even know how to get the camera position yet. I gotta freaking figure that out. Oh, why I slur there? By the way, Craig has something important to discuss. What happened to Phoenix, please? Right? Hashtag Ender, please. Let's do 1, 1. And then the color, RGBA, 255, 0.5. It's time, but it's first. Wicked time. Okay. Now, there's probably going to be errors out the yin-yang. It's not going to show you up yet because I didn't display the sprite class in the dank. Shouldn't be any errors though. Set event particle is not defined. Set event particle is not defined. That's because one of our things is not closing properly. The hell? What's going on? It can't be that. Cool stuff, yes. I was tired. It's like, okay, you know what? Splash screen, you're awesome and all. Come on. But we're gonna disable you for now. Why is the right-click menu on my other fucking monitor? I hate that so much. So it is. Some unholy, confusing force So, what am I doing wrong? One of my things is not closing. Probably the fill rect. Rect. What? Oh. Right? I feel that, Chibi. I feel that. There we go. So, I am Mega Man, and I live in a garbage can. Alright, alright, alright. Scene map dot. I'm just gonna copy this here. Okay. And a little garbage can. Okay. This dot. What is happening? This dot map particles equals new map event particles. This dot add child. I think that's the proper way to do it. I'm probably gonna get sued by every programmer. No. But yeah, if I do like the result of the things and particle things, then I'll particle area of undefined. Okay. Now, if only we knew which. I think we need to do length -1. Oh no, it's because 0 is not one of them. So it was. We need to start with 1 because event 0 does not exist. I'm assuming. Yep. There you go. However, it's not placing the dots, I don't think. Hold up now. Hammer time. That's. Let's make larger dots and more dots to place. Ender, please. Oh, it is. It's placing it, but it's placing it in a weird spot. Why that's like that, I don't know. It should be placing from every thing. So now it should place 100 dots, which is a lag fest. Not really. 100 shouldn't be too bad. It's so hot in my room. He's climbing your windows. He's snatching your people up. And so you'll need to hide your kids, hide your wife, and hide your husband, cause there's nobody out there. You don't have to go and confess. We're looking for you. We're gonna find you. Why is this only happening once? One? Okay, what is happening? Console.log. I2. We gonna find you so you can run and tell that. But yeah, I will say this now though. I'm not really a really good programmer, and I don't know if I really plan to be either. I kind of just do it when it's fun. So it's scanning through just fine. What is happening? I don't know. Why are all the X locations the same? The same double egg. What is happening? So that X is 173. So all the locations are the same. Okay, why is the location the same? What is happening? I don't get it. Zyle, I'm gonna pick at your genius if that's okay. What am I literally don't see what I'm doing wrong here. So all the locations are the exact same. It does set the X position, but it's not adding it by the random. Maybe I need to do that. Guys, why is it 500 degrees in here? Jeez. Oh my gosh. You don't even know. I might just stop streaming right now. It's freaking hot. I'm sweating, and like I don't normally sweat that easily. Why? X is 409. X is 409. Y. Where's the Y? 294, 294. Why is that happening? What is... Okay, I'm doing something confusing. Hold on. The X and Y... What? 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 Okay, this doesn't even need to be here. Like, I don't know why. I'm doing that again. Okay, what is happening? Doesn't make any sense. So it equals the X and Y position of the stupid thing plus Y plus a math random. But it's happening for all the same one. Like, all the separate things. It's not randomizing each thing. Why? Oh, doesn't? So, yeah, okay. I derped. I thought it was confusing. I hope that was that. Let's see. No, they're all still the same value. What? See, the X is 428, 428. So is the Y. The Y is 2, and the Y is not even being floored. Did I have another closing point somewhere that shouldn't have been there? I think that's what happened. So weird. Bye, Ender. But yeah, all the X and Y's, everything remains the exact same. So the plus random thing isn't actually getting applied within the for loop for some unknown reason. So confused by this. And the graphic's not getting set either, but I know I set the graphic. I think I'm actually just gonna end the stream because I'm pretty tired anyways. I was tired today to begin with, but... Oh, wait. Forgot to get rid of these ones here. There we go. Sure. Oh, come on, dude. Oh my... What is happening? What? Well, okay, yeah, I know. That's not what I mean, Some. By the way, welcome, Some. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you what I was talking about. Continue it. So, okay, Some. If you look, when I summon a particle, it summons. It looks like it's summoning one at a time, but it's not. Within the for loop, it sets all of the values the exact same. So the random, it's only working once. There you go, shut up. Quit barking. So yeah, that's what I'm confused about. Lady girl, shut up! Quit barking. That doesn't matter. It's not annoying or anything. It's probably barking at who knows what. Yeah, all the x variables or all the variables are being set to the exact same, basically. And I have no idea why. Anyway, I am gonna end the stream though. It's too hot for me to continue. I'm too tired for this. See you guys.